exciting video, and in today's video I'm gonna talk you that how to add this iPhone X notch in your smartphone. It can be any smartphone in which you can add this notch. So for adding this notch you will need an application. Just go to Play Store and search X notch, and after that install this Notch Phone X first application. I have already installed it, and after that just open it, and in this application you can customize your notch. Here you can turn on or off your notch. You can adjust the round corners from here. Here you can see that I have increased this size and the corners have been rounded from 4 edges, and you can select that how much corners you want to round. Okay, and after that here is the notch size. You can increase or decrease notch size according to you, and after that you can select the color of your notch. You can see that I am changing the strength and the color of notch is changing. Okay, here you can change the color. And that's all for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.